Please join me, Thierry de Mathieu, licensed land surveyor, and Evan Zissimos, surveyor and fourth year uni student, in a journey where you will show you what surveying's discipline relate to the work that Evan does. From engineering surveying, where he goes out and just measure services, to land surveying, where he just measured land, and in this case, an old site that it's reorganized into 117 units and 50 apartments. Or he goes and measures millions of points per second and measure between these 2 points, or use that point cloud to map and organize a structure, create a digital twins. The demand for the next 8 years in the surveying industry is booming. And you can see the shortage that happens with the red part in all the major states of the lack of surveyors. So one way to go about it is looking at the work experience program that the site alivewithoutlimits.com.au can offer. Check the website and also all the profiles.